All right, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Learn Voice with Ease. This is Sam Minde. In today's class, I'll walk you through what we call market outlook. For some of you that already know what is market outlook, I'm sure you must have been enjoying and, of course, making money from this. This is a time where we come to the market to give you an insight, to give you an expo, to give you a bias on what market is possible of doing for the new week. Last week, this just completed week, we had about 18 signals and we won everything. That was on our what? On our Telegram group. On our Telegram group. On our Telegram group. So in case you're not on our Telegram group, on our family, we have a family on Telegram. I will urge you to join. To look at the link around this video, or you can request for it. We'll send you the link so you can join and you can always participate, and of course enjoy some of these signals with us. I think last week we had a loss. We had about 18, 19. We had a single loss last week. This time around we had a winning streak, and just like we did last 3 weeks as well, consecutively. We did losing streak for like about 3 weeks. So that is it, guys. So we come into the market and tell you what is going to happen in this coming week, and of course, 90 to 80% of it do come out accordingly. Before then, I don't know if I should do a recap for you guys so that you can be more assured of what we're talking about here. I think I've done a video around that, a short video telling you about this. The market was around here, it's gonna be coming down a bit and then buy, and the market did a buy. Same thing to this one as well. I told you that market was around here. I'm gonna be coming back to do a correctional before it moves, and market did that and we bought. Of course, I told you many of them like that I will give out last week, and everything played out perfectly and accordingly. I gave you USD card as well. Market was around here. I said I was here. I said I wasn't sure of that. I see a possible buy coming here to come under the shoulder and came here and we milk about 150 pips. And lots more, guys, and lots more, and lots more. Same to this one as well. I said market comes back here, I'm gonna be buying, I'm gonna be selling, and we sold extensively, we make money, a lot more. So in today's class, let me go into today's class so I'm not to waste the time and not to extend this video to be too long. My first pair for the new week is USD, EURUSD. I'm looking at a long, guys. I'm looking at a good long, guys. Let me show you why I'm looking at a long. Do not forget that we milk this sell last week. So of course, market should definitely do a correctional base. Aside from the correctional base, yeah, last time was expected by our cycle, our trend line and bought. Take bounce here and bought. So I'm starting to want to bounce here again and what and do and come and do a bear and bullish and come bullish for us. But right now it's not matured. I'm expecting a correctional market structure change at this point. This might take Monday, make it Tuesday or Wednesday before it will correct itself and begin to go bullish. So right now it's not mature yet, please, guys. Note, guys, it's not mature yet. I will always advise you, please subscribe to this channel so that whenever we execute something like this, you can always get notified. And of course, join us and make money as well. We make money with this shot that we after we bought here. I know the market was already going to go up. We'll be buying selling at this point, we will make a lot of money. So right now is the time for what I'm expecting it to still come up, dance and play around here, just to drop a week for me. Once it drops 2 to 3 something week injections, I get to see like multiple injections. I'll be willing to to long at that time. My second one for the new week is what Euro CHF. Let me show you guys. Euro CHF, Euro CHF, Euro CHF. I'm looking at a possible sell. Let me show you on the weekly time frame. I'm a swing trader. I look at the overall top down time frame. You can see the market broke out from this last low here. Then it's now retesting. So I'm expecting to touch our trend line and give us a confirmation candle that we can also go for a short. But right now it's still a buy. If you want to come in to just be bullish, just come in and find your entry for the long, and you can long and make money. Another one I'm looking out for the new week is GDP USD. I'm looking at GDP USD on a long, guys, and I believe it's gonna be a bearish. This is what a head, this is what a shoulder, and it's coming back here to come up from a shoulder. So, and not just that, on a very strong cycle level, and what area of concentration. This area is a very key zone. So that is why I am more convinced and more confident in what in longing Euro GDP USD for the new week, guys. And I'm so much I love this setup. It's quite clean, and I love what I'm saying, guys. So I'll be longing at the junction around here. I believe it's going to be coming down here and then play around here, then drop me a week or a confirmation candle. Do something like this again, and then I'll be willing to what to buy, or drop me a week and let me see something like this or something like all these rejections. Let me see rejection on this cycle level. Then we'll be confident to what to go bullish. Aside from that, I'm also interested in what we call USD card. USD card. Let me show you why I'm interested. Good. Let me show you why I'm interested in USD card. Yes, you can see that we sell a bit here. And I told us last week that this sell is going to be stopping at this place, and I'm not too sure. So those who are in the group will milk just small and we opted out. So in case you're not on our group, I want to emphasize again. Kindly join our Telegram group or subscribe to this channel so that you can always get notified on trades like this. I told you last week about this trade that this is a pattern for a sell, but that sell with the pattern I was seeing is not be long. I said it might have a bounce at this market date, so exactly as I predicted. So guys, why not join us and let's do this together? So this one did all of the week with a buy, with a long. So I'm expecting it to reject at this point. Can you see? At this point, then we'll be looking for. But right now, it's still a buy. Then there's no structure. There's not market has not corrected itself yet. So it's going to take time. It might take 2 to 3 days. It might activate it by Wednesday or Thursday. We can say anything can happen. And then we'll be looking for a shot on that. And then I don't have much actually. I don't have much actually. And then the fourth, is the fourth or fifth one? This is what the last time we had where we had the rejections and market what did a long, a humongous long. So I'm expecting what same thing at this point. I want to see 2 to 3 multiple rejection, then we can long to this cycle left, to this my trend line. That is on what AUD card. Remember, any trade we give you is going to be doing the same thing for the whole of the week. We're going to be doing whatever we give you all of the week. Remember, we gave you this. We're going to be doing all of the another one we are also looking at for is GDPUSD. This will be the last one. GDPUSD. You can see this market changes change of structure here. The market is coming back to this point. This area is an area of concentration, very key zone, and I'm expecting the rejection of that area. And market should definitely want to reject that area and bounce. So I will be expecting a short on that zone, guys. I'll be expecting a short on that area, guys. I'll be expecting a short. I'm expecting market to be out to that point. Let me show you why I'm expecting that. Let me show you. Can you see the last time we were here, we buy. Last time we were here, we sold. Last time we were here, we long. Last time we were here, we sold. It shows tell me that what this by cycle whenever we are up, we are always what longing. Whenever we are down, we are always shorting. So as such, I will be willing to short. But right now, it's not mature for short. Let me show you why it's not mature yet. It's not mature at all. It's not. So I'm expecting this. I'm expecting this. I'm setting this to do what a mongoose buy. Then give me a double top. After that double top, after I can doing, then give me an engulf all of the to engulf, and I have more convinced what to enter. But for me, sometimes I love entering. I love sniper entry. I can enter at this sniper and just mix just 10 or 15 pips or 10 pips and try it out. If it's cool, fine for me. I can try with one entering. Then if I see confirmation that I'm white, I can have more position. I'll be able to make 1 to 7 or 6. If not, I'll have to wait for more confirmation before I find my entry. So I hope you learned something from this video and I hope you get something. Let me know in the comment section the trade that seems to be more clean, that seems to be more good to you, that you'll be taking and you'll be trading from any or all of these trade that's going to be happening for this new week. Let me know right now in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe and join us on our Telegram for more updates for tax, education, and trainings. We offer trainings weekly, monthly trainings are free. And these are the things that can help you to learn as well as we document some of our activities, goods, bads, and fortunes trades for you guys on YouTube here. Thank you and thank you for joining me once again. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.